doing well. This week's lesson is going to be underhand throwing to a target. Now, this activity can be done inside or outside, but make sure you have your parent or guardian's permission before you throw anything inside the house. We want to stay safe. The equipment we'll need for today. First of all, we'll need a target. If you go around your house, maybe you can find different things you can use as a target. You can use maybe a bucket, maybe a storage bin. If you're outside, maybe you can go to the sidewalk and draw a circle on the sidewalk, or you can use the base of a tree. What I'm going to use though, since I'm inside today, I'm going to be using a laundry basket. Next, we're going to need something to throw. If you're outside, maybe you can use a tennis ball or a baseball or a beanbag. But since I'm going to be throwing inside today, I'm going to be using socks. Make sure they're clean, pretty clean. So I'm going to take my socks and I'm going to roll them into a ball, just like this. For this week's lesson, you're going to need 3 of them. Now that I have my target and I have my socks that I'm going to be using to throw, let's go over the cues. First thing we're going to do is make sure we're facing the target. My toes, my knees, my shoulders, everything's facing the target. Number 2, my arm is going to come back. 3, I step with my opposite foot. Stepping with that opposite foot. So I'm throwing with my right hand. I'm going to step with my left foot. Arm back, step opposite, swing through. And when we swing through, make sure our arm is coming all the way up. Don't stop here. Make sure your arm goes all the way up. Okay? Once again, arm back, step opposite, swing through. Arm back, step opposite, swing through. So as we're doing this activity today, if we're struggling on making a basket, if we can't make any baskets at all, let's say I'm not able to make a basket, okay, I can always step closer. On the other hand, if you're able to make all 3 baskets, let's say I make all 3, 1, 2, 3, the next round, I can take a few steps back and try from there. 1, 2, 3. If I make all 3 baskets again, I take another step back. Now this might be an issue if you don't have a lot of space, but once again, go back as far as you can to make it more challenging. After you figure out what distance you need to be away from the target, this is what we're going to do. After you throw all 3, 1, 2, 3, you're going to do 3 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to go pick them up. You're going to come back, and you're going to throw all 3 of them again. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to do 3 squats. You're going to do them slowly. I usually put my arms across my chest, and I squat down just till my elbows touch my knees. 1, 2, 3. After I do my 3 squats, I go back, pick them up, and that equals 1 round. So I'll throw all of my socks, do 3 jumping jacks, throw all of my socks again, do 3 squats. That equals 1 round. And then I'll go again. 1, 2, 3, jumping jacks, pick them up. 1 more time. 1, 2, 3. 3 squats. 1, 2, 3. That's 2 rounds. What you're going to try to do is do this at least 20 minutes. 20 minutes. See how many rounds you can get within that 20 minutes. Now you can go slow. You don't have to go that fast. Concentrate on the form. Concentrate on doing the exercises correctly. We don't want us to hurt ourselves. Do them nice and slow, especially the squats. Make sure you do the squats nice and slow so we don't hurt ourselves. So after this lesson, go on to the attendance weekly meetup. Type in there how many rounds you completed. Now remember, you're throwing all 3 socks, and then you do 3 jumping jacks. Throw all 3 socks, 3 squats. So all of that equals 1 round. How many times can you do that round over and over again in 20 minutes? Just a reminder, guys, you only have to check in with us 1 time per week. So when you go into the attendance weekly meetup and you let us know how many rounds you've completed, that's all you need to do for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. We'll see you next time.